Ever felt that sinking feeling when your bank statement doesn't quite match up with the pile of receipts on your desk? You're not alone. Managing business finances can be a headache, especially when it comes to matching transactions to proof of purchase. It's crucial for accurate accounting, tax returns, and just knowing where your money is actually going. Well, if you're using Tide for your business banking, I'm going to show you how to turn that headache into a simple 2-minute task. Today, we're diving into the essential skill of reconciling your expenses and receipts right inside the Tide app. This process is how you make sure every penny spent is accounted for and documented correctly. Let's jump straight in. First, make sure you have the Tide app open on your phone or logged in on your desktop. You'll want to navigate to the Statements or Transactions section. Depending on your interface, it might be called slightly differently, but it's where you see the list of money moving in and out of your account. Now, look for an expense that you know you have a physical or digital receipt for. You'll notice that many transactions, especially card payments, will show up instantly. To reconcile, tap on that specific transaction. This opens up the Transaction Details screen. You'll see options here, and the one we want is usually labeled Add Receipt or Attach Document. Tap Add Receipt. You'll then be given the option to take a photo of a physical receipt, or upload a photo or PDF from your phone's gallery or files. If you're taking a photo, make sure the receipt is on a flat surface and the details, the supplier name, the date, and the total amount, are clearly visible. Tide's Smart Receipt Capture technology often reads these details automatically, saving you time. Once you've either taken the photo or uploaded the file, you'll usually be prompted to confirm the details, like the category of the expense. This is where you tag it as marketing, travel, supplies, and so on. Make sure this is accurate for your bookkeeping. Hit Save or Confirm. That's it. The receipt is now digitally attached and reconciled with the corresponding expense transaction in your Tide account. Why is this a game changer? Because now, not only do you have a clean, up-to-date record, but when it comes to sharing your data with your accountant or preparing for tax season, all your documentation is in one place, perfectly matched. No more paper shuffling, no more missing receipts. You should aim to do this daily or weekly, especially for those small, easy-to-forget cash transactions, to keep your books pristine. Regular reconciliation saves massive headaches down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.